Welcome to Reading A to Z, RAZ Kids, Kids A to Z, all the same thing. I am here to show you how to log onto and navigate RAZ Kids for independent reading time. We're also going to be using this website to do reading assessments while we are in remote learning. So every parent is going to receive in their email their child's login and password. It's going to look like this. You're going to receive this PDF file in your email specific for your student. It's going to tell you to go to the website kidsa-c.com. You're going to look for my name if there are any other names, but it should be just my name. There is an A at the end of it. For whatever reason, Reading A to Z did that. You are going to look for your student's icon and the password. So this student has a yellow square and a rabbit as their password. So I have set up a test student to show you. Here is what the page looks like. As you can see, here's my name, and my username is J. Cottrell with an A at the end. If it is somebody else's name, you're going to click Change Teacher so that you can go to our class. Please do not use any RazKid passwords from the past. Most of them will not work anymore, but I am asking to make sure that it is our class. So I'm going to go down to myself, my test student, and I'm going to click my password. I have icon passwords to make it nice and easy. And this right here is your main page. Your main page has your reading room, which we're going to look at, level up, which is the independent reading level for your child, and flight check, which is where all of the reading assessments are going to be. There's messages, my stats, and star zone down here as well. So first we're going to take a look at level up. Level up is the independent level that I have placed your child on based on the last reading assessment that they did, whether it was during summer school or in January of last year. Whatever the last reading assessment I have is how I based your child's reading level. You may find that the reading level is too high or too low, and as I get the reading assessments done, I will be able to adjust that reading level. Within this reading assignment, this is the beginning level, and this is the level they are working towards. They have 60 tasks to complete. Those tasks include reading the story and also answering questions on the story. When they complete those 60 tasks, RAZ Kids will move them up to the next level. I also have the ability to move them up or down if need be. When we go back to our main page, the reading room is a place where they can find books of different topics and different levels. We have fiction, nonfiction, Spanish books, leveled books, which are different levels, and topics, poems and songs, and if you press over, you'll see lots more as well. Right? So if you take a look, let's say you're searching for a specific topic. So we can click on topics. It does take a second to load, so you can just be patient. Don't think that it's not working. And as you scroll down, you'll see adventure, animals and insects, art and music, communities and jobs, cultures in the world, food, friendships. So if your student is looking for a book on a certain topic, they could go through here. Right? They also can do the same in leveled books. You can see they're popping up right now. In leveled books, you're going to see the alphabet, different colors across the top. These are all the different levels. So they are independent level I, which means a book that they can read on their own without having too many bumps along the way. So it's not too easy and it's not too hard. If you wanted to try a level above, if you wanted them to do a level below, they could do that as well. Right? So that's another option to go for books to read. Flight check is going to be an assessment. And right now, we're not going to do this yet. This will be a separate video. I have posted a word assessment for our students to complete, and there will be a separate video on that. Down here, we have my stats, which is just going to tell you how your student is doing overall on RAZ Kids specifically, any messages that I may send to them, and the stars that they've earned. Up here, they have their avatar. Okay. They are able to change their avatar if they would like. Okay. And that is right here. So that was the star zone. And in the star zone, you have your avatar builder. It's a little fun part of RAZ Kids. We don't want them spending too much time on this. And they give you 500 stars to start. I can also issue stars as I see students reading and getting on and doing well with their reading. I can also give them stars. And then the RAZ Rocket is a place where I believe they can spend the stars that they've earned. It's like a little store. All right, so there are some fun components to RAZ Kids. Right? Again, our main purpose of it is for independent reading because we are not in our classroom and we don't have access to our full library of books in our classroom. We're going to have to find ourselves using digital resources. And our number one resource that we're going to be using is going to be RAZ Kids. So when you get your email, which is going to look like this. Please have your child go on kidsa-z.com, have them log in, check to see what level they're at. They can build their avatar, and then if they would like, they can start reading. This does not have to be done just during school hours. It can be also done on weekends. It can be done before or after school, whatever works best for you. But I will be having us use this during independent reading after our whole group lesson for them to find books